For us, we picked the Valentine's Day one.
I'm joining my first official hackathon.
About like what has also been easy about the long distance experience.
Alright, awesome.
There we go. Actually kind of embarrassing, but this is real.
Fingers crossed that we get something.
Yourself on social media. And personal branding is super important because it helps you stand out to recruiters and everything. So to definitely attend my workshop, I have
every day she's going in and sharing different tips and tricks, and also right after Grace, we also have specifically, if you've never used a design tool to attend this workshop, I'll give you a full rundown of how to use Figma. Today, we also have Adobe with us. We have Nat Ray, who will now talk to you more about the workshop he'll be organizing. Many times we get very untidy.
I don't think Estie is muted, that's why.
I recommend which you have set out about your
Showing how customers interact with the product. So I guess for us, we picked the Valentine's Day one.
Good morning. My desk is over there now. I got a new desk. If you guys want me to show you my new desk, then let me know. But for today, I am joining my first official hackathon. Yeah. Kind of nervous. My friend who I met on, how did I meet her? I think I met her on LinkedIn randomly and reached out to me and wanted to connect, and we expressed how we want to do a hackathon together. And a month ago, she asked me if I was open to do a hackathon with her for Valentine's Day. Breathe. I have never done a hackathon before, so I feel pretty excited. The event is called Protothon. For one of the prompts at the event, they're offering a Valentine's Day themed prompt. Challenge is to find a solution for people in long distance relationships. So we are working on that right now. So yeah, join me today as I do my first hackathon ever.
So the next thing we gotta figure out is the end goal. I think what we have is good. I think we're ready to move on to the next.
Okay.
If that's okay with you guys?
Yeah.
We're just like breaking down the community.
It's couples, but more of like the marketing side to be the next question. So I wanted to hear about, in terms of communication, like what has been hard or like what has changed since then. And then at the end of that, you can also talk about like what has also been easy about the long distance experience.
Tiebreaker? Okay.
Alright, awesome.
There we go.
Good job, team.
My team's still meeting, but look at this.
And your mama on the beat.
Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car.
Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Hi, nice to meet you. Thanks for testing our prototype.
So for scenario 1, Regent, you and your SO.
That's not my dog, is it? Oh, I thought it was pretty cool.
This is supposed to be virtual dating of some sort, or like, yeah.
Okay. Do it! Submit it!
Submit it.
Woo! It's me and you.
Alright, awesome.
Awesome!
Yay.
Good job! Wow, thank you!
Thank you, everyone. Have a great night.
See you tomorrow morning.
I'm too scared to go in.
Hey, I tied my hair. in like a messy bun. Done with my first hackathon experience. Oh, lighting. Okay, there we go. Finished my first hackathon experience. It was pretty cool. My team was really sweet and cooperative and committed, so it was awesome. Look at this. It's actually kind of embarrassing, but this is real. So I just show you what's up. So that's what's happening right now. Here is currently what's going on with my desk. It's been like, I want to say like more than 12 hours since we started. We started at like 9 o'clock and now it's almost 10:30. I pretty much stayed here all morning, all afternoon, basically all day. Yeah, I just eating in my desk all day. Yeah, didn't really come out of my room, and pretty cool. I feel like it's really cool to see everything kind of come together and see how rapidly people work. I think maybe next time it'd be nice to do something like a week sprint. I will check back tomorrow morning. It's Sunday. Thought the judges would do like a live review, kind of like on ADP List, sort of like ADP List coffee hour, but no. We just submitted them an hour ago, and I guess the judges would review them tomorrow morning or whenever, and they will let us know by tomorrow afternoon at 12 p.m. who the finalists are. So fingers crossed that we get something. I don't know, I think I'll be happy just to get an honorary mention. But even nevertheless, our team, we all talked about it, and we're all like, you know, even if we don't win anything, we're pretty happy with what we've done. We're pretty happy with what we've put out. I have to turn my light off, but it's so far now. That's where my light is. My light switch is so far. Kind of still feels surreal. My first hackathon, guys. I did it. Wow. I feel really appreciative to my team. Whenever I was confused or wasn't sure where we were headed or had any sort of question, they all were really patient to explain everything. I feel like we all tried to help each other out in any way we could. I did sense that, you know, we were all getting tired towards the end, but we all stuck it out together. Yay! Yay! I'm falling asleep.
What everyone is here for. We're going to get down to actually discussing our winners. So we're going to get started by going ahead and just telling you what the prizes are. So we have a prize for Best Classic Track Solution, a prize for Best Valentine's Day Track Solution, and a Best Enterprise Solution. Each winning team member will receive an Amazon e-gift card of $50, $50 US, and 1 year of Adobe CC. That 1 year of Adobe CC consists of the entire Adobe Creative Cloud suite. That includes Adobe Estie, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and a variety more of Adobe CC software as well. So I'm super excited to see what you will be doing with it. So let's get started with the winners for the classic track, Couples Away. Specifically, this was judged by Siddharth Nayak, Stephanie McLaren, Pranita Lukanandi, Cameron Luck, Kirsten Wang, Danny Nguyen, Nick Robinson, Arthur Eddy, and Divya Jindal. As you may notice, there are slightly more judges for this track because we had a lot more submissions for it, so it would take more time. So we had a few more judges allocated for this track. And now, I'm going to go ahead and give a small drum roll for our first special mention for the Valentine's Day track. And we have...
Girl, you make me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it yes, is it no, is it maybe?